tukolere
Good day, sir.
Ovawa.
Zambia.
Bibadde bitya?
Bibadde birungi okutwaliza wamu. Kiikirira ggwanga tuwanguddeyo awaadi 2 twebaza Katonda olw'ekyo.
Okay, wabadde nominated mu categories ki era wasikupinza awards ki ziri mmeka zo?
Zabadde category 2, Young Entrepreneur of the Year Africa and the African Brand of the Year, Fashion Brand of the Year. Yes. Katonda ye yatuyambye era ne tuzifuna.
Young Entrepreneur of the Year.
Yes, sir. Yes, nyama.
Kati olwo ng'olaba zino awards kusaana gwenka gwe Oscar Kampala.
Abantu abagira Oscar Kampala basobola okuddamu ekyo. Oscar Kampala is bigger than me, so yeah.
Awards ezo zaabadde wabaziyita batyazo?
Awards baziyita Zikom Awards Africa. Zibeera Zambia, sometimes South Africa, but this time round they're in Zambia. Yes.
Wali obaddeko nominated mu any awards outside Uganda oba wano mu Uganda?
No, I've been nominated in Nigeria, Ghana and Kenya before. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Owulira otya oluvannyuma lw'okufuna awards ezo?
Kintu kya kwesiimisa, kiwulikika bulungi. Kuba ne bwe twatuuseeyo engeri gye batuyisizaamu nga Bannayuganda, it was so overwhelming. Naffe twabadde tetukisuubira that, you know, people recognize our work that much and respect us that much. So twebaza Katonda tusobodde okutuuka ku buwanguzi buno okubuzeeka.
Okay. Mu race eyo mwabaddemu Bannayuganda bano?
No, race categories nabaddemu temwabadde Bannayuganda, but there are other categories that had Ugandans.
Ngani ababaddemu fashionistas abawano?
Fashionistas, I was on tension, so I didn't focusing kuchanga. I didn't really see which categories had what and what.
Yogamba ebitalina makulu tobiwa makulu, wabadde owa kityo makulu?
Buli kimu kirina amakulu. So yes.
Bani ababadde balonda mu awards zino bantu b'ebweru?
Abantu b'ebweru ne Uganda. Bannayuganda be basinze okulonda era I thank Ugandans so much, mostly the young generation, our generation. Thank you so much for, you know, pushing our brand. Yeah.
Abantu abasinga bagamba awards zino zibeeramu bribery, bazigulirira, baziwa abantu abatali legit kuzifuna, mu voting awo mubaamu okuriginga. Kikyoyinza okwogera ku awards ezo? Oziraba otya ezimazeewo bbanga ki in existence?
Ekyo nze sikimanyi nnyo, rigging votes and all that, because it's not like I've been in the industry for the longest time. I'm a new person in the industry. I wouldn't say I've been here to see who all complained about what and what. That's all I know. They've recognized us, respected our work. Ugandans have voted and here we are. Yes.
Briefly, Oscar Kampala akola biki? Abantu bongera okutegeera biki by'odiringamu?
Oscar Kampala, Oscar Kampala is a brand. I just represent the brand. Oscar Kampala is a brand that customizes suits for men. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, kakati abantu mu bantu ba wano abakola mu fashion, muntu kigolaba n'ogamba nti networkinga kweno level neno era bw'obanga onjogerangako nteekako ono.
They say ranking because my vision as a person, it's not about ranking with anybody. It's about taking Uganda out there. You understand? So people are out there competing, supporting each other, growing brands, opening stores in other countries. So to the way of conversation, I feel like it's a belittle for us.
Tetuli mu kubiritolinga.
No, not for me, but for the whole industry.
Okay.
Yeah, so.
Waliwo sijja mubuusa maaso simanyi bwojja kitwala naye Uganda emanyi nnyo omwami gwe bayita Abrams mu awards ategeka ebikujjuka ategeka awards ennyingi. Eri wakati wammwe ababiri oli akola biki gwe byolaba byotakola oba gwe okola biki ebiri different code okuba nga ye abuuminga nnyo n'okusinga Oscar Kampala oba ye ali so
ekibuuzo ekyo kizibu okuwa answer because sikyebuuzangako so sina answer yakyo.
Olaba Abrams omusinga
sikyebuuzangako so I can't even say, you understand? Yeah, it's not something I've ever thought about or yeah, so there's no I can answer what I've never thought about.
Lwaki gwe tobuuminga nnyo naawe n'okolayo oba fashion galas nga ba Abrams bakola ate wakawo tumulabe ku Instagram bulungi.
Simanyi mukama wange kyombuuza naye one thing I know, we are on a journey for Uganda, not for yeah, and for the young people, so that's all we know. Is I don't really have a lot of knowledge about the things you're asking.
Okay, what is zigenda yamba zitya abantu abali mu fashion n'eggwanga at large zolese?
Awards, it's a sign that it's possible. If I can go and and they nominate me with my role models and I get the awards, it shows that it's very possible. Kuba abantu we nominating then there are people I used to look up to.
Ngani?
There are a lot of there are some guys in Mozambique, Nigerians, very big people. So it's really a blessing that nasobodde okuzireta.
Lastly okuva gyendi olowooza ki ekibulamu mu fashion industry ya wano e Uganda okubeera nga tu scooping awards nnyingi nnyo naddala eziri international?
To be honest, awards si kye kisinga obukulu. The most important thing is progress in business. Yeah, focusing ku business and we grow services, quality products, abantu okubategeeza what actual business is. Yeah, I think that's the only thing that's what we have to focus on, but we can't focus on. When you focus on the business, then the business focuses on you, then things like this come. Yeah, so but when you focus on awards, I don't think it's worth it. I don't think it's something your children can eat. Yeah, but it's just a sign of appreciation. Yeah.
What made you stand out? Even the attention you got from the airport, pick up the cars and everything.
Ekintu kye babadde basinga okwogerako, most of the people I met, the thing they're excited about, the movement we made there, 1,000 men in Oscar Kampala. That's something people have never done in the world. People have done it, but not one fashion brand doing it. It has been done by combined forces. But Fenga wana Uganda, twayimirira, we did it as a fashion brand. Nebawagira Oscar Kampala, and we were able to pull it off. So I think that was the key player of our win. Yeah.
Okay, what was the submission for you, Kubanga, you entered these categories?
For these awards, you don't submit. These guys make research. They send you emails, then that's how it happens.
Every journalist in Zambia abadde abasinga boogera ku Oscar Kampala. We've seen like three journalists Oscar Kampala. You went with other journalists, with other ones like Yuka Abbas and everything. Lwaki?
Nange simanyi. Nange maybe mbuuze ggwe lwaki. I don't know. I think it's God's grace. You understand? Everybody has a time where God puts you there. You understand? But all Ugandans were there. Everyone was recognized fully. But if you say that they talked, I didn't know. But if you say that that's what happened, then glory be to God. But next time I pray everybody, gets talked about. Because me, what I care about is Uganda. Is the Pearl of Africa. Yeah. Omuntu yandagadde okuwagira Oscar Kampala brand